Aloha everybody, welcome to Real Talk with Sandy. I'm Sandy Hale, and today I'm actually going to do my second Cricut project for all of you. I am putting on heat transfer vinyl with people's names on it on top of ceramic bowls, and I'm actually going to show you how you can make it so that it becomes permanent. I actually have to redo an N here, so I'm going to walk you through the whole thing, but it's basically the same. I didn't get to press it well, and I'm going to be using my mini press that I have here. I have a Cricut Mini Press, but let's go through from start to finish. Okay, so I'm in design space here, and I have what I need to go out. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna go up to the corner and you're gonna click Make It. And once it gets here, you want to make sure that you mirror. So you're gonna go down and just click this mirror and it automatically shifts it for you. So you're gonna wanna use your green mat. And when you're using heat transfer vinyl, you see how this is shiny and then this is dull. This shiny side is always going to be the one that goes down. So you want to make sure that you place the shiny side down and make sure that it's stuck good on your mat. So once it's mirrored, right, we clicked mirrored, you're going to go down here and you're going to click continue. And you're going to make sure that you choose. So you're just going to choose vinyl. And then from here, you start to pay attention to your Cricut. So the load button here is flashing. We're going to put our mat on. Go ahead and load that. And then the Cricut, which flashes, and that means make it. So you click it. The Cricut Mini Press is ready once it turns green. Once it's done, the arrows flash again, so you hit that so it unloads. One letter. I'm not gonna fully weed it the way I would have when I originally did it. I'm just gonna peel off the end because that's all I have to do. But of course, if I was doing, when I originally did it, I cut the whole thing out because it was full of words. But I find it for heat transfer vinyl, it is easier to just pull it off like this because you don't need transfer tape. Okay, so this is my bowl. I go ahead and I turn it sideways, and I actually did it, I did it with letter by letter, like this. So I put it into the spot that I want it. I hold it there. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my mini press, and I just do half of it, and I count to 10. I lift it up, and then I go ahead and I start to slide and I do the top. That's what's great about this mini press is you can use it to get really small in small areas, and you're just going to want to press down. You want to make sure that it's flush and flat. And so I did that originally with all of them, except the end when I first did it was not flush and flat. So when I ended up baking it, you could see one area which was popping up. So I just peeled it and I decided to make another end. Okay, so once you hold it down and it's done and you've got everything, whether it be a bowl or a ceramic cup, because you can do these on mugs as well. What we're gonna do next is take this to the oven and put the oven at 300 degrees, and we're gonna let it sit in there for 20 minutes, and then that's it. It becomes dishwasher safe, and it becomes permanent. This heat transfer vinyl will not come off. So I hope this helps if you're gonna make any permanent bowls. This is actually what I was doing. So I made all these bowls for our family, and then they have little cute dish towels and a little whisk, but I just put their names on top of the bowls for their family. So it's permanent. Subscribe to my channel. Every, couple times a month I'm going to be doing Cricut videos. I normally do my Rodan and Fields videos, and then once a month I always do an update on my BBG workouts. So thank you for joining.